Kila don ki report hakim media ba iwe na ki doktor jongi ilang positive yaka COVID-19. Ini doktor ila Shim Shuti Palat yaka Shitaiew hadu mentagasni. Katkum ki protocol jengko hospital menu ki bashim Shuti kam bunsni ki dai bantas Shitaiew COVID-19 shua bakin joint tray. Nak bentaka safety jongki nongpang but jongki staff. Ya ka sampel jong ini doktor la Shim ka arpo khandai tarik ujulai but ka report jong I ka long positive. Tie marsin yo ka report la yara no yu sha corona care center na ka yung sa jong I ban sha quarantine. Kat kum belap tha da ka sarkar la ritas biang I sa shisien ha ka lai pho tarik ujulai arpo hajar arpo but ha ka second test ila long negative. Namar ba uni COVID-19 udai ujingpang ubathamai bat ngim datib ha shapang jong uni ujingpang kala bandon kalat ba uni ibal test positive ha katugas ngi ila banlong negative ha kasngi ka babut takadaw ngi kerpat ki pai ba kim dai bantiang namar kila ban kot tang hadin shisngi ini doktor menta imdan symptoms AA ngi kwa du ban penshai na liang hospital ba ka Bethany hospital shinlong kanam khang lani shutdown ka hospital OPD but baru ki services kum ki lab ki diagnostics but IPD services ki plilut nila Shim kya bha ki lab jingada nak benta ban pentikna ka jingada ya patient but ki staff ki bunha ki protocol kum ka jing shot screen ki nongpang but ki visitors ki bawan hospital ka social distancing ka jing ai mask but ki wake ki PPE ya ki staff man kasngi ka jing sha spray but sha sanitize ka hospital man kasngi arsin shisngi but ki wake ki la jingada ki la yat bed hospital na du bangi pli ki staff jongi ru mi shatas man kasngi how ka ya man ka por na benta COVID-19 Kenang ban pentikna ba manu don ni ka jing pang ban don ka jing mai ka staff ni ki nongpang ban baru khat ki tas jing ki staff hadu menta ka sngi ki long negative tilba ka ni ka press release ngakwa ban kerpat ki pai ba kim dai ban tiang ban ngakwa ban ai khublai ki lamba ka jing sha bat ka jing support jing ki yangi hadu menta ka sngi katkum ka report ka bengi yo na u DHS manen ngidon armut ki patient ki balong positive kita ngila isolate nadu ba admit but kila don pa admission ward temenin kasni pada ngila tas bengkif ka viral lu jongki kila dunabha but kila long towards recovery kini ki patient kida ki bawan hapo ka fever clinic jongi ma ti kidon ka jingpang shitmat bajur hot ti but kidon ka ban admit ngi admit ki tingi bu ki isolation nadu na try charia ngila bu kerpang yaki hadu po isolation ward tinggal tas biang ka viral lu jongki menden kila dunabha
la nuski kila bagi patient
dan nadu arpo khandai tarik. This is the press release from Bethany Hospital Shillong. It has been reported that one of our doctors tested positive for COVID-19. The said doctor has been on leave for more than a week till today. As per hospital protocol, any doctor or staff has to be tested for COVID-19 before resuming his or her duties for the safety of all patients and staff. The said doctor's swab was taken on 29 July 2020. His report came out to be positive and he was immediately taken from his residence to a corona care center for quarantine. As instructed by the government, retesting was done on 30/7/20 and he tested negative on the second test. As COVID-19 is a new virus and not much is known about it, there is a possibility that a person can be tested negative one day after being tested positive. That is why we appeal the public not to panic, as recovery can happen after a day. The said doctor is doing well and asymptomatic. This is to clarify that hospital is not shut down. The hospital OPD and all services are open. We have gone over and above the necessary steps to ensure utmost patient safety and quality of care. COVID-19 prevention standards like screening of all patients and visitors, physical distancing, issuing of masks and other protective equipments to all staff every day, daily disinfection and spraying of the hospital, and all infection control measures are strictly enforced inside the hospital premises. Our staff were regularly tested to ensure no one is a COVID-19 carrier, and so far all were negative. As we move towards the new normal, be assured that we do our best continuously to deliver quality patient care. Your patience and support are much appreciated, especially during these trying times.